Becoming a household name. The journey to fame. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's commonly used in English: be a household name. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind becoming a household name. When we say someone or something has become a household name, we mean they are very well known among a wide range of people. This phrase isn't just limited to individuals. It can also apply to products, brands, or even TV shows. Being a household name means that you're not just famous but familiar and recognized in the daily lives of ordinary people. Interestingly, the phrase, household name, has been around for quite some time. It originates from the idea that certain names are so common and recognized that they're discussed in households across the country, or even the world. This term has evolved to symbolize the pinnacle of recognition and familiarity in popular culture. Let's look at some examples to clarify. Think of Coca-Cola, Oprah Winfrey, or Apple. These names are known globally, transcending cultural and linguistic barriers. They're not just brands or individuals. They're entities that have deeply ingrained themselves into our society and daily conversations. You can use this phrase in various contexts. For instance, with his latest hit movie, he's quickly becoming a household name. This app has become a household name for online shopping. It's a versatile phrase that you can incorporate into discussions about popularity, recognition, and fame. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to be a household name and how impactful this level of recognition can be. Whether it's a brand that becomes a staple in every home or an artist whose work is known by all, becoming a household name is a remarkable achievement. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.